Hi everyone, it's Shannon from Stampindously Shannon. I'm coming to you today to do another paper pumpkin unboxing. So this is the October 2021 kit and it is entitled Peaceful Christmas. And when I saw the box in my mailbox, I was so excited. This is so festive and I'm so ready for winter and Christmas. So let's go ahead and get started. So right away we get red and green, super Christmassy, very traditional Christmas. And we see our stamps and we see our Stampin' Spot. So this is shaded spruce, and the great thing about the paper pumpkin boxes is that you won't receive a duplicate Stampin' Spot for 12 months. So this will be the only time that we will receive a shaded spruce Stampin' Spot until November of 2022. So it's a great way to build your Stampin' Spot collection. But let's take a look at these gorgeous stamps. So we've got Merry Christmas, Peaceful Christmas Wishes, wishing you and your family all the best, to you and to yours, from our home to yours, and sending you peace and joy all year long. So these are very versatile stamps. I think that certainly you could use these obviously for Christmas, but you could also use them for other holidays, or even from our home to yours, housewarming kind of cards, to you and to yours. Again, very versatile. And they've got this adorable little tree line and some snowflakes up here. And we can see that that tree line actually matches what's on the front of the box. So that's super fun. And then this is a advertisement here for the Peaceful Christmas Sweet collection. So this is actually something that is in the holiday catalog. And look at these little biscuits. That's so cute. So if you are interested in this, you can take a look in the holiday catalog, or the June through December, June through December mini catalog. I call it the holiday catalog. I think a lot of other demonstrators do too, but just in case, I think the official title is the June through December mini catalog. This particular suite is going to be in there. And it comes with embellishments and papers and stamps and dies. Very, very cute little set. So let's go ahead and get into our box. So it comes with a beautiful red piece of tissue paper. Oh my gosh, look, doesn't that just scream Christmas to you? I haven't even opened up the rest of it. So let's go ahead and pull this out, and I'm going to try to move this out of the way. All right. So again, I have not opened this, so everything that I am seeing is the exact same as what, this was a true reaction here. So I'm seeing this for the first time as well. Open that up. And I love the foil on the trees, the silver foil, so beautiful. And as always, I'll go ahead and just say it, this hard piece of cardboard at the back, this very firm piece of cardboard, I always keep this for our other types of projects that we have. So I use it for watercoloring, I use it to stick in the envelopes of cards, lots of different uses for this, even to make little notebooks, like chipboard kind of things. So save your cardboard if you do things like that as well. And then let's go ahead and start with our little, oh, look how cute these are. Our instructions here. So sorry, I got distracted by all the buffalo plaid and the just gorgeous designs here. So we have some envelopes here, which is the foil that we were seeing, and then we've got two different types of cards. So if we flip it over on the back, we'll see that the coordinating colors are basic gray, real red, shaded spruce, and of course silver foil, and it contains 10 cards and 10 envelopes. These are beautiful. And of course, as always, you can see more of the alternative designs that other demonstrators and other Stampin' Up! Customers and Paper Pumpkin customers have made with this kit. And you can see the instructions here. It actually gives you full color instructions, including a ruler. It tells you which cards will require what supplies right away, so you know what to use, and don't accidentally use the wrong thing on the wrong card, which I have done before. So let's move into, oh my gosh, I am just so pleased. This is so beautiful. So as always, we get our little dimensionals and our little glue dots. And we have some red linen thread here. Very versatile, love that. And I always have extras with Paper Pumpkin as well. So despite you know, the cards will say you need, you know, 6 inches of this. I feel like I always have extra. So they always send you plenty of supplies to make all of the cards except scissors. So everything is included except a pair of handy dandy scissors, which you can also purchase the Stampin' Up! Paper Snips. And these are by far the best scissors. I own several different pairs. So everything is included in the kit that you'll need except for a pair of trusty scissors. So it has 10 cards, and of course 10 cards comes with 10 envelopes. And these are beautiful. So we've got the silver foiling trees on the one side, and we've got this buffalo plaid on the inside. And that does go all the way down, I think. So it is not on this flap of the envelope, but it does go all the way down. So I am 100% certain that someone is going to make gorgeous cards just using this liner here. So of course we get 10 of those, like I mentioned. And then moving on, we have these adorable little embellishments. These look like they might be the resin dots. I'm not sure, but they are glittery. Might be hard to see, but they are super glittery. Very fun. And then we've got 5 Noel die cuts here. When you're pulling these off of the negative here, just make sure you go kind of slow and be very gentle so you don't bend like I just did. Don't bend or rip them. These are a little bit delicate, but they are shiny. There you have a little bit of a silver foiling to them as well. Super cute. Again, you get 5 of those. And since there's 10 cards, I don't think you'll get any extra of the Noel, which is totally fine. You just got to be careful not to rip them when you pull them off. And then these are the card bases for that Noel. And it is shaded spruce, and you can see that there's a little bit of shimmer to the paper. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but mine look a little shimmery. So I do really love that. And then we also have these little sentiment cards here. At least that's what I call them. But this is for the other card base that we have, which I'll show in just one second. But just to put on Merry Christmas, or I think a lot of the other sentiments will probably fit on this too. Yep, Peaceful Christmas Wishes will fit, Holiday Cheer. I don't know if that makes sense for the front of a card, but maybe sending you peace. Yeah, sending you peace, joy, and joy all year long. I think that could work for the front of a card. And of course, like I said, that Merry Christmas too. So most of the sentiments will fit on this, if not all of them. So I'll just kind of try to tuck that back in there so I don't lose it. And then we also have the red banner. And these are used for both of the cards, and you get exactly enough. So you get 5 for each of the cards. And these are, there's no stamping on them, so no worries there. You do get an extra one of the little sentiment cards here. So you'll get 10 of these little red banners. And then, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. So this one is definitely shimmery. The green, I'm not sure if it actually is or if it's just my bright white lights. But this one is definitely shimmery. You can see that foil in there, and that is gorgeous. I'm going to have a hard time using this, I think. Maybe for a card or for anything. These are so beautiful. But they are a gray, let's see, I think basic gray. Yep, basic gray and silver foil. So just beautiful. And you get 5 of this one as well. And then we've got all of our other die cuts here. So we've got some vellum trees. And these are a full tree line. So again, same thing with these as with the Noel. Just as you're pulling these out of here, just go kind of slow because you don't want to rip your items here, or your die cuts. So you just kind of gotta go a little bit slow here. But I am also certain, one thing that I have learned recently with Paper Pumpkin is, you know, trying to find alternative ways to do things, but also trying to use up all of the supplies in the kits. So one of the other demonstrators that I personally follow has used the negatives in cards and projects. And I thought, what a fantastic idea. So that could definitely be used on another card. So if we were to put this on here like that, you could totally use that as another little design element for a card. So you can make, obviously, additional cards with this. And you get, let's see, 4 of these. So that would make an additional 4 cards. So that is wonderful. Absolutely beautiful. So we'll set these off to the side too. And then our die cuts. So we have a little plaid circle, and it looks probably about 2-ish inches. And then, well, you know what, I'm on a grid mat here. Yep, it's a 2-inch circle. And then we have a little wooden plank in basic gray. It's pretty. I don't think that one is shimmery, although again, with my bright lights, it does kind of look like it. And then we've got the card mat. So on this card here, the Noel card, which is also where the vellum trees go, you can see that it's matted, so to speak. So you have the card base, and then this will go on that, like there, as an additional layer. So super cute. So these are all of the supplies that you will need for your paper pumpkin kit. You've got lots of little vellum trees. You've got all of the different die cuts, and of course you got your stamps and your Stampin' Spot, and all of your adhesives and embellishments. So many wonderful and beautiful things in this kit. I absolutely love it. I love it so much that I may actually buy another one if they're available. And that's the great thing about Stampin' Up! And specifically about Paper Pumpkin. If you end up loving this kit and you're like, gosh, I would love to make more of these cards, Stampin' Up! Actually sells the refill kits. So once they've distributed all of the supplies to the people who have subscribed, they will have potentially some refill kits if they have leftovers. And that will include all of the paper goods, all the adhesives. The only thing it will not include is the Stampin' Spot and the stamps themselves. So especially if you have these 2 things, getting the refill kit is a wonderful way to increase your supplies and even make alternatives. So if you want to make all 10 of these cards as is, but then you also wanted to kind of play with some of the supplies, you can obviously order that refill kit and get to craft in on that way. The other thing that Stampin' Up! Will do is if they have extra kits, so if you forgot to subscribe to this kit, Stampin' Up! Will actually potentially sell refill kits if there are, will potentially sell full kits if they have extras. So if they have extra stamps and they have extra Stampin' Spots, they will actually sell a full kit on the website. You do have to be a current subscriber to get both of those options, so you can subscribe to the following month and then also get this kit as well. And then the way to subscribe to this is you can go to Paper Pumpkin and actually subscribe from the website, or I have a link down below that you can click on and it will take you to the website in order to subscribe. It's $22 a month. And again, it comes with everything you need except for scissors. And it is by the 10th of the month. So if you subscribe before the 10th of the month, you will receive that month's kit. So for instance, this is October's kit. So in order to get October's kit, I had to subscribe by the 10th of October. So obviously I did that, and I do not regret it. This is a wonderful kit. I am so stoked to start working with all of these wonderful supplies. So if you have any questions for me about Stampin' Up! Or about Paper Pumpkin, feel free to reach out. I love to answer questions, and I love to share what I love with other people. So I hope you have a really great night, and let me know if you have any questions.